Adjust the feeding position before receiving the product. Adjust the baffle to ensure that the product is in the middle position when passing through the bag maker. Turn on the conveyor detection, and then click Start. The product will undergo an electric eye to automatically detect its length. After positioning is completed, turn off the conveyor detection and press the Start button. When the product is approaching the knife holder, press the Stop button. Open the End-Chain button. Open the End Seal interrupt. Continue End-Chain. And when the product passes through the middle of the knife holder, close the End Seal interrupt. When taking the product, be careful not to change its position by measuring the position of the product. It can be found that the product needs to move about 40 mm to the left, with negative to the left and positive to the right. Enter the product position as negative 40. And after entering it, enter the manual page to perform a mechanical origin reset. It will recalculate all parameters on this page and display it as completed. Then turn on the conveyor detection. Place the package of products on the conveyor belt. Press the Start button. And after positioning is complete, turn off the conveyor detection. Press the Start button. As long as the measurement is fine, it can basically be completed in one step.